Good morning, children. I would like to welcome each and everyone to the EVS class. And we have started with the new lesson, that is Games of Lights, and that is lesson number 10. Let us see for today's topic what we are going to study and what will be the learning outcome. So, learning outcome of the topic shadow formation, students will be able to describe the process of shadow formation, how shadows are formed. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand. So, shadow formation, shadows are always formed opposite to the source of light. So, you should know, children, in the earlier topic we have learned about the shadow, how shadow form. So, shadows are formed when an object blocks the path of the light. We have learned that shadows is a dark shape formed when an object blocks the path of the light. Now, shadow formation, shadows are always formed opposite to the source of light. You should remember that shadows are formed opposite to the source of light. Let us see with an example. Here is an example of light and shadow, and here you can see, children, this is the artificial light torch, and we have the bottle, and the shadow is formed in the opposite side. Okay, always remember the shadows are formed in the opposite sides. Again, this is the natural source of light, sun, and this is a tree, and you can see the shadow is formed in the opposite side. Okay, now let's move to the next one. The main thing which we are going to learn now is that light travels in straight line. You should always remember light travels in a straight line. When something blocks the path of light, shadow is formed. So the important point is that light travels in a straight line, and when shadow is formed, when something is blocked by the in the part of the light. When something blocks the path of light, a shadow is formed. The next, here says, children, shadow will not form in a curve or a zigzag line. Shadow always forms in a straight line. Okay, you should remember that shadow travels in a straight line and it will not form in a curve or zigzag way. So let me show the next slide. Here, moving to the another topic, that is shadows are cool. Why shadows are cool? We know that shadow is formed when the object blocks the part of the light. So you can see the example of the tree where the light, you can see it is not directly, or the sun rays are not directly falling on the tree. It is blocked by the trees. So shadow is also there, and plus the place becomes cool also. And during summer season, we like to sit under the shade of the tree. Why? Because the sun rays cannot fall directly in the trees. The trees get blocked. The light gets blocked, and the area becomes cool. Same is in the case of the building also. You can see tall building, children, and the sun rays get blocks and shadow is formed, and it makes the place cool also. Okay, children. So now let's move to the next. That is different shadows. Shadows are of different. Why different, I am saying, children? Because when you see the object, this is the example of the teddy bear, and here is the torch, and the main thing is that when the torch or the light is in near the object, the shadow becomes bigger in size. You should remember, when the light falls on an object, then the object becomes bigger in size. And when an object moves away from the light source, the shadow becomes smaller. That means when the object is far away and light falls on it, the size becomes smaller. The size becomes smaller in shape. Okay. Then when the light falls direct near the object, it becomes bigger. Okay, it becomes bigger in size, and here it becomes smaller in size. Remember that when the object is near the source of light, the the shadow becomes bigger, and when the light is far away, the object becomes smaller. Okay children, these are the important things we have learned today, and in the next class we are going to do an activity for that in the live class. And today's questions are: if we stand outdoor in the sun, on which side is your shadow form? So think and answer. I'll be asking you in the live class. If the sun is to your right, on which side your will be formed? Okay children, please think this answer, and I'll be asking and discussing these questions in the live class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day ahead.